Understanding how expressions work is fundamental to writing Python code. Remember that programmers write expressions, and that Python computes the values of these expressions, and that every value has a type. I'm going to use the convention here where I use curly braces to represent an abstract expression. And when I say abstract, I mean that we won't worry about its value or type for now. So for example, this expression a might be a literal expression like 15, or it might be a more complex expression like 10 plus 5. So we've seen literal expressions where the value of the expression is the expression itself. But we can also have arithmetic expressions where the value of this overall expression is the value of expression a plus the value of expression b. So this is addition, but we also have subtraction, multiplication, division, exponentiation or power, and modulo or remainder. And in case of all of these arithmetic expressions, Python's expecting one sub-expression on the left-hand side and one sub-expression on the right-hand side. But there's also the negative arithmetic operator, where the value of this expression is -1 times the value of expression a. And it only expects one sub-expression on its right-hand side. Python uses the same operation order precedence that you might be used to in math classes, where parentheses have the highest precedence, followed by exponentiation, and then multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction. What this means is that if we want to take the average of values a and b, and we try to do it with this formula, then we've made a mistake, because this expression first divides by 2 and then adds a. So what that means is that if a was 10 and b was 20, then Python would first divide 20 by 2, and then it would add 10 plus 10 to give us the value 20 instead of the 15 that we expected. To say that we want to add a and b before dividing by 2, then we add parentheses. In Python, most arithmetic expressions take two sub-expressions. So if we want to add three numbers, like so, then we can still enter expressions like 1 plus 2 plus 4, but it just means that Python will first treat this part as one sub-expression, and so it's first going to find the value of this expression 1 plus 2, and get 3, and then it's going to compute the value of the expression 3 plus 4 to get the value of this overall expression, which is 7. So in Python, programmers write expressions, and Python computes those expressions' values and types. And in the process, Python breaks down complex expressions down to simple values.